Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter a status access violation error on your browser, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to know is whether we're using the stable version of the browser. Now we get the stable version only from the installer. So for that, if for example I'm using Google Chrome browser and I'm getting the error, then I will search for Google Chrome stable version. Or if you're using Opera, say, then Opera stable version, and then go to it and then click on download and install it. Before that, you need to uninstall the app, folks. So do that prior to installing the stable version. The next thing we can do is to update the browser. For that, I will open Google Chrome and then I will click on these three dots here, go to help, about Google Chrome, and I will make sure that it is updating. And then once it is updated, we will close the browser and reopen it. The next thing we can do is to check for the history. So we'll click on the three dots here, look for history, and then we will click on delete browsing data, search for all time, and then make sure these boxes are ticked, and then click on delete data. And that should solve the issue. But if it doesn't, then we need to look for problematic extensions. So for that, we'll open Google Chrome again. And then we will click on the three dots here. We will go to extensions, manage extensions, and then we will make sure that the extension boxes are in the off position. So if they are not, then just switch it to the off position, close your browser, and then restart. The last solution is to reinstall the browser. For that, we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, then go to apps, install apps, look for the problematic browser, the one which is giving you the error message, and then just type it in the search bar. Then click on the three dots here and click on uninstall. Once you have uninstalled it, then go to the Microsoft Store and look for the browser, or you can also search in the browser. You can search for the stable version of the browser that you wish to reinstall. So for example, I am looking for Chrome, so I will look for Chrome in this. If I don't get Chrome in Microsoft Store, then I can look for it in the browser. So we'll look for Google Chrome stable version. If you're looking for a browser like Opera or Edge, then look for the stable version and then click on the download link, and you can click on download and then run the installer as administrator, and this error should no longer be seen. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.